first one, let me ask you, when you've gone to see a speaker, have you ever felt like they were showing one side of the audience a little bit more love than your side? Or you felt like they were paying more attention to one side of the audience more so than your side? It does happen sometimes, and many speakers, in my experience, are not aware that they are doing this. When you are a speaker, you want to do what's called equalizing the territory. Let me repeat that. Equalizing the territory. This means that whatever you do to one side of the audience, you need to make sure that you do to the other side. Almost think of it as mirroring, okay? Like a mirror. So if you give a prize to somebody on this side of the room, you need to give a prize to somebody on this side of the room. If you are telling a story to the audience on this side of the room, you're facing them while delivering a story, you need to deliver another story to this side of the room. You may not think that the audience feels any type of way about this, but it's something that with practice you will get better at as a speaker. It's just becoming more conscious of it. Sometimes I think that we have one side that we just like to look at more so in general when we're speakers, but you really have to be deliberate about showing everybody some attention in that audience, because they will feel like they are being ignored unbeknownst to you. They might not tell you that, but it will be felt. One way that you can help yourself get in the habit of being more conscious about this is before the event even starts, get to the room early enough. Sit in different parts of the audience. So sit in the center of the audience. Sit on the right side. Sit on the left side. Sit up in the balcony if you have some type of, amphitheater seating maybe. Sit in the back corners of the room. This is going to help you to understand how the audience is experiencing you. You'll see what their vantage points are, how they can see you. So you want to make sure that you give love to different parts of the audience. Don't just look in one direction. Make everybody feel like you are speaking directly to them. So that's tip number one, how we can turn our audience off. We are not equalizing the territory. We are not showing love to all parts of the audience.